Hey everyone, this is Scott Smith from C&S Cleaning Services. If you haven't seen one of our trucks around, this is one of them. You'll notice by the big swish on the side and the IICRC certified logo, and that means we actually went to school, we know what we're doing. Now for the winter months, because we clean year round, we use a special door kit that keeps all of that warm air inside, keeps you nice and warm in your house, but also keeps the elements and the water out. So I'm going to show you here real quick. I have a pressure wash gun here. Okay, this is super hot water, but look, none of that water is going into your house. None of it. This rolls right out, stays outside. And that's very important when it comes to snow and the winter weather that we get here in Pennsylvania, because not only do we use the best machines and the best equipment and the best employees and technical help, we always use the best customer care products too, to make sure that you're always happy with what we do. So if you need us, give us a call, 814-547-1848. Thanks.